Compatriotes tout partout à travers le monde, et spécialement en Haïti, moi salue ou. Non pas M. Fritz, et me compte rentrer la caille aujourd'hui avec une nouvelle vidéo. Haiti's first lady or ex-first lady, Martine Moïse, has fled the country. As some of you may know it, the Haitian President Jovenel Moïse was assassinated on the early morning of July 7th. And Martin Moïse, his wife, was injured or has been shot, said by sources. And many of us, or all of us, was hoping and praying, including me, that she would make it. Because some of the news was coming out as she later died in the hospital. But most people are saying they don't know whether she's alive or not. But I was hoping and praying that she make it. And she did. She made it, and she recently flew back to Haiti for her husband's funeral. And when she came back in the country, I was extremely excited. I was super happy that she came back. But it seems like she only came back for her husband's funeral, but not for the country per se. A lot of people are speculating that whether she left the country and definitely, or she only went back to Florida to get more physical or more medical attention. I'm saying that she's fled the country only because that I think there's a level of respect that should involved in this, that should be involved in this because although she may not be the first lady anymore, but whenever the people that are mourning Jovenel right now, they see her. When they see her, they see Jovenel in her. They see her as Haiti's hope. But for her to just leave the country without any formal speech, without no warning, I think that's very disrespectful to the people that's going out every day, sacrificing their life, protesting, asking for justice for the assassination of the president. That's only my opinion. I just think that there's a level of respect that should be involved in this. You know what I mean? You can just decide to just live, and the way she left, it's like it's not just her that left. She left as well as the kids. Everybody left. Everybody in the house just left, and it's like she took everything with her. Did she leave to get more medical attention, or did she really leave? That's what we're trying to figure out, and she did. That I would say I have no respect for the lady, but that's what I would say, because I understand that she needs to worry about her safety, but as well as everybody else that's going out there every day. Anything could happen to them. They could be shot, stabbed. Anything could happen to them. But if they're sacrificing their lives, and your husband just did make a major sacrifice for the country, I'm not saying that she should just, blindly, just give herself out for people to do whatever they're trying to do to her. It seemed like she was extremely well protected, because, and that's one thing I have to point that out too. I did not like at all about her, that everywhere she's going, she had those American FBI agents with her. Like, it's like the three closest people to her were those FBI agents. I'm like, what the hell is that? The people trying to greet her, the people trying to get close to her, they're trying to shake her hands. They were trying to touch her, but they could not get close because those three white men were surrounding her at all time. From the day she landed to the day she left the country, she was surrounded by those American FBI agents, and that honestly was making me feel some type of way. But it is what it is. It seems like she had fled the country, and it doesn't seem like she has any plan to return. Whatever it is, we're just gonna have to follow and see. But I really do not like how she just left the country without giving any verbal warning to the people that love and support her. Peuple haïtien, comme nous connaissons déjà, première dame, ancienne première dame Martine Moïse, parti quitter pays. Ancien dame Martine Moïse bote tout ça qui la kaile, li monte avion là dans pays hein, même chien Martine Moïse gen la kaile, il prend chien la lavel. Tout ti bagay li gen, j'aime zo l'homme a boto kon ki sa bote signifie. Si on a quitté ton cas, il quitte le pour 2-3 jours, ka comprendre sa botte là, mon nan beauté, ça veut dire mon nan li vraiment quitter côté. Mais Martine Moïse prend avion, toute petite li, toute famille li, chien li, tout bagay li gen le beauté, li parti quitter pays. Ça fait nous penser un peu. Et moi, je me sens de respecter parce que Martine Moïse, son dame toujours parler en faveur, je me respecter un peu. Mais, si l'été, quand même, pas là, peuple, dit peuple, ok, mais ça me faire, ou qu'on aime, toujours pas senti moi bien. Mais ça m'a fait, je venir dans le pays pour me juste faire un terme marié, mais quitter me tourner Florida pour mal pour un petit aide, pour les moi venir puis meilleur de marier tout non encore. Les pas dit rien, Martine Moïse juste levé, les parti quitter pays. Martine Moïse sauvé, quitter pays. Pour qui ça? Pour qui ça c'est ça nous t'a mais qu'on est. Tout le monde qui a sorti dans la rue chaque jour matin midi soir a fait manifestation pour justice pour pays pour président. Tout le monde besoin te voulait coller à Martine, yo t'a voulait m'aimer parce que là yo moun yo gen espoir parce que yo c'est président Jovenel Moïse yo dans Martine Moïse mais j'en ai fait là ça son coup de traite lié pour moi. Je connais des gens qui ne sont pas d'accord, ils ne sont pas d'accord, mais moi-même, c'est opinion PAM. Si vous pas d'accord, ça me dit, mettez quand même dans la vidéo ça. Si vous remêlez, si vous pas remêlez, pas remêlez. Et soudain, mon vidéo, partagez là, tout le monde connaît, tout le monde qui a voulu tant de bonnes nouvelles sur Chanel ça, parce que moi-même, c'est ça me fait. Moi, passe Chanel pour toute communauté haïtienne, quel que soit côté dans le monde, je passe nouvelle là, de ça qui a fait dans l'actualité dans le pays. Martine Moïse, sauvé, parti que tes pays, c'est moi ça, mes amis. Nous tous ces haïtiens, nous tous gen travail pour nous faire, chaque grain dans nous gon rôle pour nous jouer. Nous supposons chercher contre qui ça rôle ça pour nous jouer. Parce que Haïti c'est pays pam, Haïti c'est pays pau, Haïti c'est pays pas nous lié. On peut coller pour nous avancer devant. Non pas M. Fritz, n'a pas encore dans une nouvelle vidéo.